The RBA's decision later on today, it's expected to jack up rates another 0.5%. How much will that pump the brakes on the economy?
Well, we don't preempt the decision by the Reserve Bank Board today, but the universal expectation is that there will be an interest rate rise and that it won't be the last one this year. There's a strong expectation, unfortunately for a lot of people, that interest rates that began to rise before the election will continue to rise to some extent for longer, even after today. And so a bigger proportion of household budgets, which are already stretched by the price of petrol and groceries and electricity and other essentials, will be eaten up by mortgage repayments. That's the strong expectation. And so people will find today's news really difficult, I think. It will be a tough day for a lot of homeowners. The Reserve Bank Board takes its decisions independently, but we know why they're doing it, and that's because we've got high and rising inflation. And that's why they have deemed these difficult decisions to be necessary. It will cause some pain for a lot of people. Some people will be able to accommodate these rate rises, but many won't. And it will have a broader impact on the economy as well, which is what it's designed to do.
And are they getting into default territory, those who've overindulged on mortgages?
Look, I've spoken with the banks a number of times since the election. And what they tell us is that there are a number of people who've been able to get a little bit ahead on their mortgages. And there are some people who are right on the margins. And for them, today's decision will be incredibly difficult. But even for people who've got a bit of a buffer, you know, every 0.5% that interest rates go up, if you've got a $500,000 mortgage, that's about $137 a month that you need to find in your family budget. So even if you've got a buffer, that gets eaten up relatively quickly as interest rates get higher. So it'll be a difficult day. I think there'll be some difficult news, some tough news for a lot of Australians.
OK, that's the Federal Treasurer, Jim Chalmers, coming to us live from Canberra. Treasurer, thank you. We'll talk to you soon.